Racing just started well. Indian Mint came out of the gate a little bit late. We have Chowderhead is spin cycle moving upon the outside. In the portion comes Gorgeous Queen. Queen Star is down on the inside. Rain Hill Choi Bianca's Fantasy. Giant Loom while Indian Mint is the early trailer and going along for the first turn. We have Gorgeous Queen by a length and a half. Spin cycle is right there in second. Queen Star is racing in third, then followed by Bianca's Fantasy alongside Chowderhead. Then next on line is Indian Mint, Dane Hill Choya, while Giant Loom now racing in last. Back to the leader, we have Gorgeous Queen by about 3 lengths. Coming closer in second is Spin Cycle. Queen Star, Bianca's Fantasy is racing in for the Indian Mint comes next. Chowderhead, then next on line is Giant Loom, while Dane Hill Choi now racing in less. At the fourth turn, we have Gorgeous Queen by about half length. Queen Star moving up down the inside is Bianca's Fantasy. Indian Mint still in fourth, and as they swing for home, Bianca's Fantasy now takes command. Indian Mint, Gorgeous Queen, Queen Star is on the outside with about 100 meters up. There is Bianca's Fantasy followed by Indian Mint, and finally it's Bianca's Fantasy, Indian Mint, Queen Star, Gorgeous Queen, then comes Chowderhead, Giant Loom.